Yes, welcome back to Chemical Study Zone. I am DUK Bhagwan. In the previous lecture, I just discussed about the Maxwell's relations of the part 1, which we involved in deriving these four equations, which is nothing but the dH, dz, dA and du by using this magic square method. And now in this today's lecture, I just prove the four Maxwell relations. So we have the first by using the internal energy value, which is nothing but du equals to TdS minus PdV. By using that, let us prove the first Maxwell relations. If now we should have to split this equation in two forms, which is nothing but at constant volume, this constant volume as dV equals to 0 will result in only du equals to TdS, which gives us du by ds at constant volume equals to our temperature. Let's keep this equation 1. And similarly, if it is at constant entropy, that means the ds equals to 0, then we left with only minus PdV. Now bring this PdV on this side, will result in du by dV at constant entropy equals to minus pressure. And now I'll use this first relation to prove the Maxwell's first equation. Now differentiate this equation with respect to d by dV at constant entropy on both sides. Now we will get d by dV of du by ds at constant volume at constant entropy equals to dt by dV at constant entropy. Now we can interchange these two values dV and ds, because if we have a values of d by dx of dA by dy is similarly equals to d by dy of dA by dx. We learn it from the partial differential equations. So I can, after engineering, we will get left with d by ds of du by dv at constant entropy at constant volume. If we interchange these two values, then automatically these two values will also get interchanged, equals to dt by dv at constant entropy. As du by dv at constant entropy is our minus pressure, which we got in the equation 2. After putting this here, will result in dt by dv at constant entropy equals to minus dp by ds at constant volume. It is our first Maxwell relation. And similarly, by using enthalpy equation, which is nothing but dH equals to TdS plus VdP, and at constant pressure we will get dH by ds equals to the temperature, and dH by dP at constant entropy gives us volume. And I am differentiating this equation with respect to dP by ds, d by dP at constant entropy, then we will get d by dP at dH by ds at constant pressure at constant entropy equals to dt by dP at constant entropy. As I said that we can interchange these two values. After interchanging, we left with d by ds of dH by dP at constant entropy at constant pressure equals to dt by dP at constant entropy. As dH by dP at constant entropy is our volume, substituting this value over here will result in dV by ds at constant pressure equals to dt by dP at constant entropy. This is a second Maxwell relation. And third relation is proved by using the Helmholtz free energy, which is nothing but dA equals to minus SdT minus PdV. And again, dA by dt at constant volume equals to our minus entropy, and dA by dV at constant temperature is our minus pressure. And again, I am differentiating this equation with respect to d by dV at constant temperature on both sides. Then we will get, then after solving this relation, we will get the value as dP by dt at constant volume equals to ds by dV at constant temperature. These are Maxwell's third relation, very important for us. Okay, and finally, by using the Gibbs free energy equation, we will find a fourth Maxwell relations. The Gibbs free energy relation is dg equals to minus SdT plus VdP, and again dg by dt at constant pressure equals to minus entropy, and dg by dP at constant temperature equals to our volume. After differentiating this equation with d by dP at constant temperature, we will result in the value dV by dt at constant pressure equals to minus ds by dP at constant temperature. These are fourth Maxwell relation. So finally we found all the four Maxwell relations, and again in that between we found some of the values like dg by dt, dg by dP at constant temperature all. Let us write these equations on one side at a time. These equations are very important for us in GATE examinations. as they may can ask questions in any type by using this 8 relations. And now every one of you can ask me that how did I differentiate these values as by d by dp at constant temperature, and this value over here with dv by dt at constant temperature. Now I'll say, suppose if we have dx by small d at constant q equals to some value capital A, and dv by db at constant r equals to some capital B. 1 minute. dy by db at constant r equals to some capital B. Now I will differentiate this equation by using this value, which is nothing but d by db at constant r. Here similarly I differentiate this equation by using d by dp at constant temperature, and here similarly by using d by dv at constant temperature, and over here d by dp at constant entropy in the same way. So by using these relations we can find the 4 Maxwell relations and this some 8 entropic values of the energies. If you like my explanation, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I'll give the link of the previous explanation part of the finding of this 4 4 energy relations in the video, in the description. Okay.